Sometimes the simplest recipes are the most comforting. Today I'm making South Indian style beetroot stir fry, a dish I grew up eating and still love to make at home. I'm starting with some oil in a pan, then adding mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and a little chana dal. Once the chana dal turns golden brown, I'll add slit green chillies, few curry leaves, and half cup of finely chopped onion. Saute this until the onion turns soft and translucent. This step builds so much flavor. Next, I'm adding freshly grated beetroot. Then I will stir fry it for a couple of minutes. If you don't have beetroot, you can make the exact same recipe with grated carrots. Next, I'll add salt to taste. Then give it a stir fry and cover and cook on low to medium heat for about 10 minutes until the beetroots softens beautifully. Now I will open the lid. Beetroot looks perfectly done. Now I will give a quick stir and then check seasoning. Next, I will add freshly grated coconut. The coconut adds mild natural sweetness that balances the earthiness of the beetroot so well. And I'll garnish with fresh coriander. This is one of those meals that instantly takes me back to my childhood. My mom used to serve this with freshly made chapathis, a little ghee on top, and it always felt so comforting and light on the stomach. Simple food, familiar flavors, and a lot of comfort. That's what home cooking means to me. Thank you for watching.